Hello fellow aspirants, this is Dr. Tanya and I'm here to introduce you to the newly released DocTutorial notes and share my experience with you. The notes are extremely high quality, covering every clinical based question, every previous year NEET question and any image based question that has come in the previous competitive exams. They contain images which are extremely high yield and improve our visual memory and help us tackle possibly any image-based question that would come our way in the future competitive exams. They've also provided us with space where we can note down the important key points to remember so that we can brush through them when we have a time constraint. They've also given us an overview of the minutes of the topic so that I can skip exactly to that topic in the video lectures when I have a time constraint. Despite all these features, the notes are extremely concise and help us save time so that we can invest it in doing multiple revisions, which we all know is the key to cracking any competitive exam. Thank you DocTutorials for making such an important phase of our lives stress-free and making reading enjoyable yet stress-free. Happy reading!